To send money with PayPal, you will need to have a PayPal account and sufficient funds in your account. First, log into your PayPal account by going to the PayPal website and entering your email address and password. Once you are logged in, click on the Send and Request tab at the top of the page. Next, enter the recipient's email address or mobile number in the To field. You can also select a contact from your PayPal address book if you have previously sent money to this person. Enter the amount you want to send and select the currency. You will also need to choose the payment type, which can be either friends and family or goods and services. If you choose friends and family, the recipient will receive the money directly into their PayPal account and you will not be able to dispute the transaction. If you choose goods and services, the recipient will also receive the money directly into their PayPal account. But you will have some protection as a buyer in case you do not receive the goods or services. After selecting the payment type, you can add a note to the recipient if you want to. This can be a useful way to let the recipient know what the payment is for. Review the payment details to make sure everything is correct, including the recipient's email address, the amount, and the payment type. Finally, click the Send button to complete the transaction. The recipient will receive an email from PayPal notifying them that they have received a payment. The money will be transferred to the recipient's PayPal account immediately, and they can then transfer the money to their bank account if they want to. It is worth noting that PayPal charges a small fee for some transactions, such as when you send money using a credit or debit card. However, when you send money using your PayPal balance or a bank transfer, the fee is often lower or even free. Always review the fees before completing a transaction to make sure you understand the costs involved. By following these steps, you can easily send money with PayPal to anyone with a PayPal account. The process is quick, easy, and secure, making it a great way to send money online.